The Dead Sea, on the border between Israel and Jordan, is slowly shrinking and sinking, losing a meter of depth each year. An international team of geologists is working to understand how 200,000 years of shifting climate affected the region as the salt lake grew and shrank.
The white layers are summer.
Bands of colored sediment reveal the passing of dry summers and wet, fertile winters.
We are sampling rocks and different soil profiles to see any indicators of the paleoclimate, which is the climate thousands of years ago, to have a clear idea about what was the climate, what is the climate now, and then we can forecast the future climate of the Dead Sea area.
The scientists are gathering soil and water samples from the eastern shore of the Dead Sea and from the rivers and streams that flow into it.
We want to learn what's going on in the Dead Sea in terms of how much water from the eastern side and what is the composition of water and what is the composition of sediments. We can't understand without this the changes that we see in the Dead Sea, and therefore we can't understand the climate without knowing what is going on here.
What they're finding is evidence of a massive drought thousands of years ago, which dried up about 80% of the water in the Salt Lake.
What happened in the past tells us something about what's possible in the future. And what happened in the past in this area is that the water that people are using now and need now stopped running.
That knowledge could help nations that rely on the Dead Sea watershed cope with a more arid future. Faith Lapidus, VOA News.